Hey, it's Maria with Wealth Creation, where we talk about finances, wealth, quality of life, how to help you get from where you are today to where you want to be tomorrow. Today, I want to talk about cryptocurrency because one of the biggest objections that I get when people are considering some of the investing things that I do is that some of them have to be paid in cryptocurrency. That's really scary for a lot of people. But I think it's important that we learn about it because our world is going digital. Most countries around the world are talking about creating their own digital currency instead of using like dollars. There's going to be a whole lot more companies integrating cryptocurrency into their fiat or dollar currency type of deals. Like you can already get credit cards that pay in crypto. You can already do cryptocurrency in your 401ks with some companies. And governments and banks and huge companies are all investing in cryptocurrencies. So it's important that you know something about how it works. But I know that it's really scary because the value fluctuates up and down a lot with certain different coins. Crypto is, done in coins instead of dollars like fiat is. So you could lose or gain value tomorrow. They don't really know how to do it. Sometimes the exchanges can cause delays. You put money in and then they hold it for a week and they don't let you do anything with it. So there's a lot of uncertainty around it. But if you want to invest in something that requires cryptocurrency because you've done your research, you think it's a good thing, maybe you've been watching what I'm doing and you want to do something like that, or maybe it's something different. That's either way is okay. Don't let your uncertainty and fear about crypto stop you from doing it, because there's a ton of money to be made. There's money to be lost too, but there's a ton of money to be made in cryptocurrency. And if you're not doing it just because it's foreign to you and you don't understand it and you're afraid, then you really could be missing out on a lot. So what I would suggest is, if you want to do something, talk to the person who introduced you to it. Talk to me if you need to talk to me about it, and I will help you, or they will help you walk through and start to understand the crypto part. Because once you've done it a couple times, it's actually pretty darn easy and straightforward. So that's really all I wanted to say. Don't let your uncertainty or fear of cryptocurrency keep you from investing in the things that require cryptocurrency. Get somebody to help you. If you don't have anybody, I'll help you. Just reach out and we can get you started on the road to being part of the crypto and digital markets. All right, that's it for now. Happy investing, and here's to our success.